It's January 10th, 2015, and welcome to the Dr. K Birthday Roast. Okay. Donna Green Powell has a birthday today. And Erica Rollerson has a birthday today. Erica just had a baby recently. Speaking of birthdays, and it got to be thinking about back when I was expecting a baby. Well, not me, but my wife at the time, 26 years ago. And I wanted her to have the baby at Domino's Pizza, so we could have free delivery. Yeah, get it out of there in 30 minutes or less, Do a Sicilian section on her. Alright, who else is having a birthday today? Janet Pitts is having a birthday today. And Mary Beth Brooke is having a birthday today. And Roberta Van Dyke is having a birthday today. Sorry, Roberta. Who else is having a birthday today? Shanda Brody, assistant principal at Windsor Hills Elementary, is having a birthday today. And thank you for watching the Dr. K Birthday Roast.